How to set ringtone on Zedge app. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to set ringtone on Zedge app. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Zedge application on your device. Once opened, make sure you are logged in, and if not, then go ahead and log yourself in by entering your login credentials. Now, in order to set ringtone, tap on the Discover button from the bottom toolbar and then tap on the Ringtone tab. Now, scroll through and browse for the ringtone that you want. You can also tap on the search bar and search for the ringtone. Simply tap on the ringtone that you want to set. You can also tap on the play button to listen the ringtone before setting it as your ringtone. Once you have decided on the ringtone, tap on the download button you see there. You will then see the option for set on device. Tap on that, and with this your ringtone will be changed successfully. So this is how you can set ringtone on Zedge app. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.